So now we've been through the story elements of Act 1, and before we go into Act 2, I'm going to take you through it really briefly as a narrative so you could see it a different way. We meet the hero or heroine in their ordinary world. They have a ghost or wound, special skills, and a strong desire. And they also have an opponent, maybe a villain, who also has a strong desire and may be blocking that hero or heroine from getting what they want. The hero or heroine gets a call to adventure, a phone call, a case, a look from a stranger that invites them to change their life. That impulse might be blocked by the opponent or a threshold guardian, or the hero or heroine themselves might be reluctant to take the journey. But they overcome that initial opposition. They gather allies and possibly the advice of a mentor. They formulate a specific plan to get what they want. And they cross the threshold into the special world. Now, moving into Act 2, the hero or heroine goes after what they want, following the plan. The opponent blocks or attacks, following their own plan to get what they want. The hero or heroine may now gather a team, train for battle, and in a love story, this might be a makeover or dating. They may get advice or training from a mentor. They may investigate the situation. They will be tested and pass numerous tests and maybe fail one or two, all following the plan and often adjusting the plan to achieve the desire. No matter what genre, we will experience scenes that deliver on the promise of that genre. Magic, flying, sex, adventure, mystery, thrills, horror. We also get to enjoy the hero or heroine's bonding with allies or falling in love. And usually in this act, the hero or heroine is winning. And then at the midpoint, there is a big reversal, revelation, loss, or win that is a total game changer. So let's get deeper into the elements of Act 2, Part 1.